Hey everyone, welcome back to Genshin Impact, where today we're gonna try to get to Adventure Rank 34, so we're gonna start doing a bunch of missions now. Alright, guess we'll swim through here. Oh, could jump through this hole? Where's sunlight? Oh, sunlight's going through the rock. Alright then. Oh, found ghost. Crossing a couple lines, think they figured it all out. What? Okay. He's looking for treasures too. Yeah, we found her. Ghost looking for treasure. Alright, I'm gonna go to get this stuff. Nice. Oh. They've all left? Think a bit more, look carefully. Alright, so... There we go, started looking in the wrong spot too. Alright. Wait, let me do this to break it. Yeah. Come on. Oh wait, a shovel.
There's no end to this. Another test subject.
Oh, okay.
Disappear.
Alright, come on. Alright, you're not too bad. Nope.
You're open.
Not too serious too. Alright, come on. Come on. That guy's gonna throw a thing. There we go. And you. Come on. And this should finish him off. There we go. Alright, what's the treasure? The guys from earlier. Oh, it's them. Sure you actually can't achieve anything by yourself. Yeah. And only... Okay. Treasure lost everything, all because of treasure, yep. So... Yeah, treasure's here, we established that. Ah, planted this tree themselves. Put a little something inside it each year. And they use it to buy stuff. And talk about all times. Oh, now they can't get any more. That sucks for them. Alright, it's ours now. Oh, what's Pylon saying? Whoa. It's way too fast. Well, for a long time, what? That day isn't too far away. Okay, I barely could read any of that, but guess that's what we put in every year. Cool. Alright, we're finally gonna continue that quest on Tri-Fuel. You guys probably remember this from a long time ago. Yeah, we accepted it, but now we're gonna do it. Like, come on, let me like this thing. Ah, there we go. Oh wait, we already did a trigger like this, didn't we? Okay, so wait, so there's only one more?
Yeah.
Ah, he saw me. Alright, come on. Alright. You know, maybe we won't get him, let's just keep on going. Went like undetected so far. And doesn't appear to be telling his other guys there. Alright. Ah, this. That's why we stopped. Yeah, kind of failed at it last time, but I guess now we're strong enough, so maybe we should do it now. Alright. I have to get rid of 10 guys in a minute and a half. Alright, let's try to do it. Come on. Yeah. Alright, come on. Okay. Oh. Oh, come on. Oh, that's it? Alright. Cool. Is that the last one? Yep. Okay, cool. So, we finally got all the seals. Okay, before we go there though, I'm gonna take the rest of the treasure. Alright, see you guys there. Hi guys, just passing by. Alright, let's get him. Yeah. Oh! Is that Archer that we knocked down earlier? Hey! Yeah, look at him, he's still angry. Alright, come on. He's still angry? I don't think so. Alright. Nice, so... Can we take the sword? No? Alright. Oh, we got a prototype part? Yep. Claymore prototype. Okay, so that's cool. I guess after all this time, that's all there was in here. Hey. Okay, there's something in there. Potatoes and wheat. Of course. Alright. And in here. Food again. Yep. Cabbage and potatoes. What else? Oh. Okay, what's that? Can I hit it?
Yeah.
Oh, I missed. Oh! What does it say? Careful of power structure. What? There's no place to flow, even the purest form of water will begin to empty. What? Cannot read that. That goes way too fast.
Training.
It's a bird. No, no, no. Come on, bird. Yeah. Oh, oh. It's actually doing a lot of damage. Come on.
Disappear.
Yeah. Oh. Just jumped over it. Alright, let me switch characters. No, 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 switch. Switch. Alright, freeze him.
That
Oh.
was
Alright, come on, minute. Do your thing. Yeah. Alright, we're leaving. Goodbye. Oh! Look at that! You can't hurt me from here. Oh, no. I can walk out. But I can't walk in. Alright, safe again. Oh, look at them. I'm safe in here. Hi, guys. What are you doing? Oh. Okay, he's actually doing damage. Oh. Nope. And
Get out of here! Out of the way!
alright.
Off we go!
Yeah, I beat it. Okay. I'm gonna take an Earth survey. Alright, let's do it. Come on. And of course, we're going to ask for custom characters. And if you guys get a chance, please ask for it too. Rune Guard. Okay, that'll get a rank up, right? Alright, let's go. Come on. Yes. Alright. Did that not get a adventure rank up? The minimap says there's still a Rune Guard here. Did I get the wrong one? Alright, come on. Oh, we did it. Alright. That's cool. So everyone, I think I'm just gonna end the episode here now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Goodbye.